Hey, good morning, it's Mike. Let's talk about a dynamic that's very frustrating and very hurtful and very, quite frankly, painful for a lot of people in our industry, especially those who consider themselves to be roofing professionals. And that's this. The quality of a roofing installation and the selling of roofing installations have very little to do with each other. Unfortunately, we all know quality roofing installers, quality roofing companies, certified roofing companies who sell very little, and yet at the same time, we know hacks, we know people who don't do it right, especially in our own estimation, they don't do it right, who are selling a lot of roofing. See, quality and sales are two things that seldom go together, and it's very frustrating for people who consider themselves to be quality installers. Just because you're a quality installer does not mean that all the world's sales need to come to you. Just like because you're a quality shingle manufacturer doesn't mean that you get to get all the shingle sales. I'm sure you have your favorite shingle manufacturer. Everybody knows that I have mine. But the problem is that if those shingles sold themselves, they wouldn't need you. They don't sell themselves. The quality of the shingle does not determine the sales of the shingle, even though you may think it does. It doesn't. Your shingle is not the dominant shingle in the market. My shingle is probably not the dominant shingle in several markets around the country. You have to have somebody selling it. The quality and the selling are two things that seldom go together. Now, can quality help you sell? Absolutely, positively it can. But you know what helps you sell the most? Is selling it. That's what helps you sell the most. If less than 3% of the contractors in your industry are actually certified or licensed, or they've gone through the class or the school to actually sell that product the right way and install it the right way, that means that there's 98% of the roofers out there who are not doing it the right way. And guess what? The shingle manufacturers don't care. They still sell to them. You know, if quality was that important, they would eliminate everybody who's not certified, everybody who's not licensed, everybody who has not gone through the class and say, no, you can't buy from us. But that's absolutely not what's not happening. Now, if you make more money than the shingle manufacturers, then fine. Turn this off right now. You don't have to listen to another word I'm saying. But if you don't, you might ought to consider this. The shingle manufacturers are pushing their shingles into every corner, nook, and cranny that they possibly can to where they can make a profit. You would think, well, I'm not going to sell shingles in that area because we don't have a territory manager, we don't have a sales rep in that area to make sure that people put it on the right way. Hey, they don't care. Buy the shingle. That's what they care about. Buy the shingle. That's because selling and quality are two things that have nothing to do with each other. If you want to sell it, sell it. If you don't want to sell it, fine, sell somebody else. But it comes down to selling. Now, if you were supposed to have a territory manager or a sales rep in your area, before you could install the shingle, that'd be one thing. But quite frankly, even in large metropolitan areas, like the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex, it's very difficult for a lot of these guys to even get their sales rep or their territory manager to call them back. And that's the truth. Now, if they're that concerned about quality and making sure that only quality people could install their products, don't you think they'd have somebody call you back in a timely manner? Now, maybe your territory manager calls you back. Maybe your sales rep calls you back. But a lot of people will comment that I don't hear from my guy. I don't hear from my gal. They never call me back. Now, even I, sorry, watching my dog here, even I sometimes have difficulty getting a call back from people. Not from corporate. Corporate's always good. How y'all doing, corporate? Love you. But you have to consider this. Just because you're a quality installer does not mean that you get sales. Now, do I believe in quality installation? Absolutely, positively I do. But I don't think that people that don't do quality installation shouldn't get sales. I mean, if a shingle manufacturer wants to put up a website and promote their qualified or certified contractors through that website, that's fine. But I've got more news for you. Take all the shingle manufacturers' websites, directory listings in the world, combine it with all the Better Business Bureau listings, and combine it with all the Yellow Pages listings, and they still don't come close to touching the amount of shingles that are sold through Craigslist. It's about selling, guys. It's about selling. That's what it's about. It's about selling. Get over yourself. Quit being so frustrated. Learn how to sell better. You already know how to install better. Now learn how to sell better. That's what it comes down to. Sell better. Wow, I've gone off today. But that's what it's about. Sell better. This is Mike. Make it a great day.